This is a very positive development. It is evidence that this administration is taking this Russia probe seriously, that this is going to be a probe that is independent. The fact that they have chosen someone like Director Mueller, someone who enjoys respect from both Republicans and Democrats, who's experienced, who knows how the FBI works clearly, as he led it for a considerable amount of time.
The decision by Rod Rosenstein to actually identify a special counsel and name Robert Mueller is remarkable. Lots of profiles and courage among some of the attorney generals, Sally Yates and now Rod Rosenstein. And I wasn't really keen about his memo that he drafted just last week, but it took a lot of guts for him to make this decision and to place someone with some such sterling credentials to take over this position.
I want to be able to see how it operates. It's a good piece of progress if they're able to make this work, where there's a hybrid between FBI agents being the staff of it, because they're career folks that already have security clearances, already have offices set up, already well-versed in the process, with a new leader that is also well-versed in FBI processes, and they can keep this thing completely independent.
I think it's a strong and positive development. The American people have been demanding that the Congress and the Justice Department take action, and today the Deputy Attorney General took action.
It's really very, very good news, but frankly, it's not the end of the news. There's a whole additional piece of this puzzle that has to be brought into play. The American election for president was meddled by the Russians. They actively engaged, they actively hacked. We need to understand, because we're less than a year away from the next primary elections that are going to affect the nature of American democracy going forward.